A question is given as the altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So here if you consider 7 centimeter less than its base is altitude of the right angle triangle. Okay. So what we can do here, we can consider base of the right angle triangle as x. So let base of triangle x centimeter. Then ultimately what will be the altitude? Altitude of right angle triangle, or simply triangle you can write, will be x minus 7. So now see, one triangle is given to you, right angle triangle, base is x, height is x minus 7 and hypotenuse is 13. So by Pythagoras theorem you can write, okay, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to height square is equal plus base square. Now first bracket you can open using identity. So x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square. Like terms we can add. 13 square we can write as 169 and 2x square minus 14x plus 49. So we got here 2x square minus 14x plus 49 equals to 169. So this 169 we will transfer here. So 2x square minus 14x minus 120 we will get. Now all the coefficients are divisible by 2. So divide throughout by 2. We will get x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now here if you see, product is minus 60 and sum should be minus 7. So we have two numbers, 12 fives are. One number we can select 12 and another number 5 minus 60 equal to 0. Okay. Now from the first two term we can take x common, and from these two term we can take 5 common. So x minus 12 plus 5x minus 12. So we'll be left with one bracket will be common. Okay, yeah. Here we have to put equal to 0. Bracket is common, that is x minus 12 and x plus 5 equal to 0. So we can write x equal to 12 or x equal to minus 5. But x equal to minus 5 value not valid because length of the side, isn't it? So length of the side cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to 12. That is base equals to 12. Therefore altitude will be 12 minus 7 है ना, x minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. Question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day. Cost of production of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Okay. And total cost of production on that day was rupees 90. So first of all, we will suppose we have to find the number of articles and cost of each article. So we will suppose number of articles produced that day. Okay. So first number of articles produced that day. Let number of articles produced that day is equal to x. Now if total cost of production is 90, so what will be the cost of each article? We can take particular example. Suppose number of pencils produced per day is 10. 10 pencil we produced, and cost of production of total that per day, that particular day, is 100. So cost of one pencil will be, what we will do, we will divide total cost by number of pencil produced that day. That is 100 by 10, we will get 10. So 10 rupees will be the cost of one pencil. Here also, number of articles produced that day is X and total cost is 90. So now cost of each article we can say will be cost of each article will be 90 by X. 90 by X. Okay. But here it is given that cost of the number of articles is cost of the production in for each article is 3 more than the twice. Okay. Number of article produced on that day. 3 more means we have to add 3, and twice the number of article means twice of X. So we will write here, but according to question, cost of each article is twice of X and add 3. Okay. So these two things we have to equate here, because both represent total cost of each article. So we will get 2x plus 3 is equal to 90 by X. This is our equation. Now X we can shift here. So we can multiply with X. So we will get 2x square plus 3x equals to 90. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 equal to 0. Now coefficient of x square is 2, not 1. So for product, we should multiply 2 and minus 90 to get minus 180. So we have to select two numbers such that product of those two numbers is minus 180 and sum should be plus 3. Okay. So what we can do here, we can find prime factorization of 180. Okay. So 180, 2 nines are 45, then with 3 it will go, then again with 3, then 5. Okay. So see, 5 3s are 15 if you select, and here 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and 6 2s are 12. 12 and 15. So that number will give product 180 and sum will be plus 3. So what we can write? We can split middle term. Okay, 2x square, then plus 15x we can write, minus 12x minus 90 equal to 0. Now from first two term we can take x common only. So 2x plus 15 will remain. Here we can take 6 common. So 2x plus 15 will remain. Now bracket common we can write 2x plus 15 and x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x plus 15 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So x will be minus 15 by 2 or x equal to 6. So x represent the quantity of the article, number of article, it should not be negative. So therefore we can write, therefore number of articles 6 and cost of each article will be 90 by 6, that is 15 rupees.